one because it's a rectangle, the diagonals are equal, so you can make those equal, solve for x, plug that back in, figure out what those are. Number 21, the mid-segment is the average of the two bases, so 21 plus 37, divide by 2, 58 divided by 2 is 29. Number 23, same basic rule. 24, we have a kite, but again, it's quadrilateral, so we have 360 degrees. So 360 minus those two angles, and then whatever you got left over, divide by 2, because those are both the same. Number 25, the opposite pieces are going to be the same, or these are establishes that these are parallel and they're congruent, so that is a parallelogram. That was one of our rules to establish that a parallelogram is a parallelogram. 26, those are proportional, so you can set up a proportion to solve for that. And then from there, we start a whole lot of problems in a row where we're solving proportions. Like here, 15 over 5 equals 12 over the missing piece of x. You can solve that and get 4. And then here, 28, same thing, solving for this missing piece. So 18 over 24, 27 over x, cross multiply, solve that. Number 29, a little more complicated to solve, but it's really not. The process is still the same. So 3x minus 12 over 12 equals 2x plus 8 over 16. For these, I would put those groups in parentheses before you cross multiply, just to make sure that you distribute. And once you get the value of x, substitute that back into the one that is CP. 30, again, setting up a proportion. 31, draw the picture, but set up a proportion. 32, setting up proportions. This is going to be x, so 63 over 21 equals 57 over x. Pretty quick calculation there. 33, again, setting up a proportion to find the missing segment, but then it does ask for the whole thing, so make sure you add that back together. 34, you need to set up a proportion. 35, you need to find the missing piece. It's 15 first. Then once we get to like 37, that section we're using the Pythagorean theorem now. When you're setting these up, make sure that you set up that the longest side is the part that's by itself. So like number 37, the x is the side that's by itself squared. Number 38 to 17 is the side that's by itself squared. 39, I mean, they give us a picture, but that doesn't necessarily look like a triangle, but it is. We have 8 squared plus 15 squared equals the hypotenuse squared, so that ends up being 17 feet. We have perfectly 17-foot ladders, so that's 40, 41, that section, that's whenever we're getting into our special right triangles. Again, this will be on the board. Here, this is